Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading you a poem called Recognize the Feeling from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Recognize the feeling. Don't allow fear to stop you in your tracks. If you let it, fear will cause you to waver like the tide swept away from the current. Recognize that feeling and realize if it's uneasiness in your gut or if it's fear steering you away from your divine purpose. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about 3 things you're grateful for yesterday. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of 3 things from yesterday you're grateful for. I am grateful for an amazing nap I had. I am grateful for my wife's birthday. We had an amazing day. I'm also grateful for my father-in-law being here on my wife's birthday. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.